Divyani, about tears rolling down my cheeks. Yes, that happened. And I'm very emotional. I think people those are emotional, they get that very quickly. So that was a great session. I really felt touched. So I used to do meditation, but whenever I'm doing breathing exercises, again, I also feel that I'm not able to breathe properly. And I think most of us, we do not know how to breathe. मेरी तो सांस ही रुक गई है. How to go ahead? I start having heaviness in my, like, I start having headache. So I don't know.
Okay, I'll explain it. See, meditation has stages. Okay, meditation. Whenever I have to explain it to any of my clients, I always say, which is the most dangerous and biggest animal in the jungle? You tell me which one is it. Whichever you feel is the most fiercest one and most strongest.
Lion, tiger.
Lion. Yeah, everyone reaches there. I say meditation is dinosaur. Something
Oh,
that is completely beyond your imagination. So reaching a dinosaur, handle it. So that's why there is a way, there is a stage 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go. What we are doing in Shunya is a very basic meditation, which is not harmful for anyone. So even when he is giving you the instruction, we keep saying that don't force yourself. If you force yourself, there is already a blockage, and you push it even further, so it's going to create a pain in your body. That is called energy congestion. You expect a lot from yourself. Within a day we'll do this, and maybe the experiences that you're hearing, these people are with me for past 1 year, and I have worked with them and they have worked on themselves in the practice. A lot from yourself. Within a day we'll do this, and maybe the experiences that you're hearing, these people are with me for past 1 year, and I have worked with them and they have worked on themselves in the practical life first. They have sorted their issues first and then they have come back to this. So that's why it will take time. So don't expect so much from yourself in the beginning, but be very easy on yourself. Just sit and watch that what's happening with my body. Be easy, because energy will take time to understand that you're trying to tame it now. You're trying to give it a path. एनर्जीज की जैसे हमारा बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर है, वैसे जैसे अगर मैं आपको बोलूं वो नाड़ी सिस्टम है, नाड़ियां, हमारी नाड़ियां का जो सिस्टम है मेस्टअप है पूरा, और वो नाड़ियां जहां जहां वहां ब्लॉकेज होगा आपके बॉडी में इश्यूज आने वाले हैं. कहीं पे आपने अपने या तो उसको सॉल्व नहीं किया है या आप उसके पोटेंशियल पे काम नहीं कर रहे हो. ये दो ही रीजंस हो सकते हैं कि मेरी लाइफ तो अच्छी चल रही है बट मे बी आप कंफर्ट जोन में, या कुछ ऐसे इश्यूज जो हमने सॉल्व नहीं किए. तो वो उस आप कर्मा से हटके आप मेडिटेशन में कभी नहीं जा पाओगे. नेवर encourage people to get into direct meditation.